A host of facilities greets you and your family at home in the Raintree. The main lap pool takes center stage as it is surrounded by 2 smaller kids' pool and a rain shower jet pool. The barbecue pits and kids' playground are both conveniently situated outside the function room and the fully equipped large gym. Work out while watching your kids at the same time. After a swim or workout, you can unwind in the steam room or relax in an open-top jacuzzi whirlpool. Additionally, there is another huge ensuite function room that can easily accommodate a very large party for your family and friends. Living at the Raintree allows you seamless access to important amenities within 2 kilometers. MRT trains, with Beauty World being the closest MRT train. Groceries and supermarkets at Beauty World Center and Bukit Timah Plaza. Renowned local and international schools within 2 kilometers. And lifestyle, Singapore Gun Club and Swiss Club Singapore. A short 7-minute walk will take you to Bukit Timah Nature Reserve, where you will be able to explore different hiking routes and a mountain biking trail. Situated along Upper Bukit Timah Road and conveniently connected to the major highways of Pan Island Expressway, PIE, and Bukit Timah Expressway, BKE, you're only minutes away from the rest of the island. Dining choices abound, with the stretch of eateries opposite the Raintree or just a short drive away from the Raintree at the famed Chong Chin Nam Road and Chun Tin Road. I'm Phoebe. Call me now at 9186-2402 for an exclusive viewing to make this amazing unit yours.